this video, I'm going to show you how you can update your Substack account. By updating your Substack account, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with this app and also fix any errors or issues associated with your account. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, for you to update your Substack app, you need to go ahead and access the app through either Google Play Store if you are on Android or App Store if you are on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go ahead and tap on Play Store here. And from here, search for the app once you have logged in using this search bar. So if you can't see the search bar, you should see a search icon. Tap on it to activate the search bar, and then just search the app by name. So I just search Substack like that as one word. And if I go ahead and tap on search, you can see we have our app here. Yes, it is already installed, but we have an update, meaning I've been using an outdated version of Substack. To update this newsletter and media app, go ahead and tap on update. And this will download the latest version of Substack and then install it on your smartphone. Once installed, now you can proceed and tap on open, sign in, and start using the latest version of Substack. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.